I have your extra eyes and peace of mind and one insane price drop for the road coming right up. Hi, I'm the deal guy, Matt Granite. I've had my car sideswiped, $8,000 worth of damage and no claim that I could put into my insurance company. And I'm not angry. Am I resentful? Yes. Am I really happy that I found this deal for everyone else watching right now so you don't end up like me? Yes. I find huge deals. And one of the things that I wish I had, and this is, you're kicking yourself. I've had so many dash cam deals over periods of time, but I never ended up buying one and leaving it in my car. And the HP Dashcam that's on sale today is a great way to not only support your claims, but there are a lot of bad drivers out there. And for me, I was sideswiped, over $8,000 worth of damage, new insurance company, and I got screwed. It's really not a good situation to be in. And more importantly, now that I have a baby daughter and I'm keeping an eye on the road in a different way, we're gonna take this for a spin. And in fact, if you wanna grab this deal, there's a link located right under me. Expand that video description box. You're gonna find the deal. But more importantly, I wanna show you on a 5-minute drive from my neighborhood, how many road hazards, how many bad drivers, and how many things we can capture over the course of just 5 minutes. Now this is a fake unboxing because I've actually already had this out of the box because I've been using this, but basically this is how it would come packaged. This is the really nice size HP camera, palm size, beautiful. And then it comes with all of the accessories. Obviously what I'm showing you is a brand new unit. What I have is something that I have already opened. And interesting and important to note, it comes with both the SD card and the micro SD card adapter. So that's huge right there. A lot of these dash cams, you have to buy your own SD card. So this is great. You get a dual USB port car adapter. So this on its own is worth $15 to $18. You can charge 2 devices simultaneously. This is a really nice charger that has the suction cup, which has performed both in really hot and really cold conditions for me. So that is fantastic. And then you have your USB power port. You could hardwire this directly through your vehicle if you wanted to keep this HP camera built in long term. For me, I like that it's removable and I can obviously use this anywhere else. The HP camera has a microphone, which a lot of dash cams don't. So you could technically use this as a discrete security camera if you wanted to. The SD card goes right on in here. And then you have the power and the record modes, but I will tell you that this has a G sensor built in. So the second it detects any abnormal movement in the event of a car crash, someone bumping you, or a side swipe, this would activate. This also turns on automatically when your car turns on via the included DC adapter. This is the mount. The mount just goes on into the bottom right here, and then you have your camera ready to capture anything on the road. Welcome to my vehicle. This HP Dashcam actually has a rechargeable battery as well. So you can use it without the plug, although the battery is really low on this. And I should also mention I have not set the clock, so it's gonna say January 1st, 2017. I'm recording this in August of 2018, so this is a new upload with new footage. And I should point out that even in this very modern car right here, this is a 2017 model, it only has one USB port. So I'm already excited by the fact that when I plug this into the DC lighter cigarette adapter, I get 2 additional ports. That's great. So you plug one in into here, and you could use the other to charge a cell phone. I could use the other to charge my wife's cell phone, whatever it is. I will plug the other end into here. And then I'm gonna set this up for use. Really powerful suction cup right here. I mean, this is on. And again, if you want to not see this wire, you can hide it, but for me, it's very discreet. You can see you got the LED going right here. Let's put this into record mode and let's take a spin. Now you can already see this driver right here is not moving, and they would be the type of driver that would cause an accident. So I love that I have this because they're driving really slowly. I can make out their license plate perfectly. God, this person, that person is a really bad driver. Anyhow, I captured that. That's great. Now that's not as great as the person that sideswiped me as part of that hit and run a few months ago, but I do like that I have this. I'm at a stoplight right now, and amazingly enough, there is a truck in front of me without a barricaded door. All of that could easily slide off the back of a truck. Like, that's completely ridiculous. So the fact that they're driving around right now is a road hazard. I would not be comfortable if I had my small infant daughter in the vehicle and all that rolled right on off the road into us. So it's amazing where in just a few seconds of hitting the road, I've already seen some major safety hazards and bad drivers. So in not so bright road conditions right now, where it's a little bit overcast following a storm or what could be an upcoming storm, I like that I can capture absolutely everything from street names to license plates and people. And there's that driver that had those driving issues a few minutes ago. I love that everything that I need is safe, secured, and stored on an SD card, which I could present to an insurance company to support a claim. And more importantly, if anything happens in the act, I have full support and a great way to put an end to those he said, she said situations. Well, that was quite an experience. I actually sweated through my shirt so much I've put on a new shirt and tie. That's what's going on right now. More importantly, this deal, which you can score right now, is the best grab that you can make. I think a lot of the dash cams that are also at this price don't have the same features. This is fully featured, checks all the boxes. And because you have that accelerometer and that G sensor, if you are parking and someone slams into your car door and takes off, or in my case, I'm parked outside and I get sideswiped, this activates immediately and you're capturing that information in real time. And because this is so discreet and small, it's not obscuring your vision. It is peace of mind at its finest, works at night, works during the day. And if you do want to make your move to grab this, I'd do it. I learned the hard way. I'm sure you won't. I'm sure you're all way smarter than I am, but it's really cool to be saving smart savings together. And more importantly, if there's anything else that you want to hunt down, anything that I might have missed, upcoming deals that I can fill your holiday quarter with, leave me a comment. I love reading through your comments. I love hearing from you. And until we meet again, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, there's a very easy way to get subscribed. If you want to get subscribed to this channel, just click on my head right here. Also wearing a different shirt and tie and shorter hair. And yes, I would like a haircut, but I can't afford one right now. If you missed that last big roundup of deals I did and you didn't have your notifications turned on, that's how to do it. And the last deal upload right over here.